Mastering social media tips for aspiring solopreneurs. Mastering social media tips for aspiring solopreneurs? Be smart with your planning. Develop a content calendar for goal-focused posts. Implement themed days for consistency and ease of planning. Making posts that pop. Choose low-competition posting times for better visibility. Increase posting frequency to reach a wider audience. Utilize diverse graphics and themes to enhance engagement. Engage with your audience through interaction and questions. Smart content creation. Batch your work and schedule posts in advance to avoid burnout. Use tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Canva, and Meta Business Planner to streamline content creation and scheduling. Finding inspiration to stay consistent. Access a wide range of content sources, such as Google Drive or content bundles. For creative inspiration. Concluding message. In the dynamic world of social media, organic growth is the key to standing out and driving engagement. By employing smart planning, creative content creation, and consistent execution, solopreneurs can leverage social media as a powerful tool for business success. Stay ahead of the curve, embrace these tips, and enjoy the journey towards social media success. Please forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Please let us know what kind of resources you are looking for. Our most in-demand resource. newbeginning.com/freebies for you. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. newbeginning.com/affiliate program. Our course package that proved $4,000 revenue in a week is now available as a PLR at 90% off for you to grab and start making money immediately. DIY or DFY settings for PLR are available for your quick start success. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses. newbeginning.com. Solopreneurs Digital Branding Hub. mynewbeginning.com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs Dream Lifestyle. supats.com. Connect with us at eCare at newbeginning.com. Thank you, and may God bless you abundantly.